Monko confirms the size of the astroturf patch, which is 1
Each
meter
side
on
of
each
this
side.
astroturf is exactly 1 meter. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes 24 patches in our courtyard.
Good job, Monko. We will go to the front of the building and find out how many astroturf patches you need for covering the 2 paths.
Whether you walk left to right, up or down, you may walk on the same area when the pathways cross one another.
We see 2 pathways in the schoolyard. Path A measures 10 meters by 3 meters, while Path B measures 12 meters by 4 meters.
Look, we have Path A and Path B perpendicular to each other.
We have to find the number of 1 square meter astroturf patches required to cover this.
That is interesting.
You also have to calculate the cost of covering these pathways.
Got it. I know one patch costs 750 rupees.
Go to the classroom, discuss with your friends, and come up with the correct
Welcome
answer.
to Animated Maths for All series. Math No Myth.
We have to find the number of astroturf patches needed to cover the pathway A and pathway B.
Examining the intersection, it becomes clear how the 2 paths relate to each other.
There's an overlapping portion there.
Yes! How do we find the area of the path A and path B that is to be covered with astroturf?
We need to add the area of Path A and Path B.
The overlapping area is getting added 2 times, once with area of Path A and again with area of Path B.
We can subtract the overlapping area once to get the actual area of the path.
Great! Who can tell me what is the area of the overlapping portion? I know! It is a rectangular portion of 4 meters by 3 meters. So it is 4 meters by 3 meters equals 12 meters squared. Correct! Width of path A and width of path B make the sides of this overlapping rectangular area.
Area of Path A is 10 meters times 3 meters equals 30 meters squared. Area of Path B is 12 meters times 4 meters equals 48 square meters. What is the total area of Path A and Path B?
Area of path A and path B equals 30 meters square plus 48 meters square equals 78 meters square.
Are we going to cover the 78 meter square with astroturf?
We need to subtract the area of the overlapping portion once to get the total area of Path A and Path B.
Look, Path B is crossing Path A, so we are subtracting the overlapping area once.
Excellent!
Total area of the pathway to be covered is equal to 78 meters squared minus 12 meters squared equals 66 meters square.
66 meters square is to be covered by astroturf.
How many patches of astroturf do you need?
Monko measured the area of 1 patch to be 1 square meter. So 66 square meters divided by 1 square meter equals 66 patches.
One patch costs 750 rupees.
66 patches cost 66 times 750 rupees equals 49,500 rupees.
That is great. We have understood the concept of overlapping area.
When you subscribe, you get to learn more challenging problems in an interesting way with Monko.
Thank you for watching Animated Maths for All series.